In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheets look better. If your spreadsheet looks like a wall of gray cells, it's harder for people to read, understand, and trust your data. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, you can make your sheet feel polished and professional without spending more than a minute or two. We'll start by cleaning up the visual noise. In your sheet, go to the top menu, open View, hover over Show, and uncheck grid lines. The content stays exactly the same, but the sheet instantly looks cleaner and more modern. You can always turn grid lines back on if you need them while editing, but hiding them when sharing or presenting helps your audience focus on what matters, the numbers and labels, not the boxes around them. Next, let's make the data easier to follow. Highlight the entire table you want to format, including the headers. Go to Format, then click Alternating Colors. Choose a soft, subtle pastel style that adds contrast without shouting. In the sidebar, keep the header option on if your first row contains titles, so it gets a distinct background that separates it from the rest. You can tweak the accent color and shades to match your brand or presentation theme, but the key is restraint. Gentle banding guides the eye across rows and reduces the chance of reading the wrong line, especially on wide tables or when presenting on a screen. Finally, give everything some breathing room. Select the rows you want to adjust. You can drag the boundary between row numbers to make them taller, or right-click the selection, choose Resize Rows, and set a larger height, like 30 pixels. That extra vertical space makes text more legible and the layout feel intentional. Then, with the same row selected, use the Vertical Align tool in the toolbar and choose Middle. Centering text vertically keeps labels and values aligned in a way that feels balanced, especially when some cells wrap to 2 lines and others don't. This tiny change goes a long way toward making your sheet feel premium. That's it. Grid lines off, gentle alternating colors on, and a bit more space with centered text. These simple tweaks make your data easier to scan, reduce mistakes, and give your work the polished look it deserves. If this helped you, hit that follow button for more quick, practical Google Sheets design tips.